Well, heart disease actually kills more women every year than all other forms of cancer combined. An upcoming event is providing women with education that could be life-saving for us. Here to discuss that is Dr. Stephanie Saucier. She's a cardiologist with Hartford Healthcare's Heart and Vascular Institute in Hartford and in Southington. Good afternoon, doctor.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for having me today.
Just to clear it up, when we say heart disease, what does that mean, and what are some of the symptoms we as women should look out for?
There's many different types of heart disease. The one that we kind of talk about most commonly is coronary artery disease. This is what causes myocardial infarctions or heart attacks, as most people know it. So coronary artery disease is the most common form of heart disease. And some of the symptoms that people, including women, should look out for is chest pain, trouble breathing, pain that radiates to the neck or to the arm. Now, women are interesting because sometimes they have more subtle symptoms such as nausea, extreme fatigue, and they can actually have symptoms that stutter over a few weeks prior to having an event such as a heart attack.
Wow, so we really got to pay attention to our bodies. Take us through the risk factors for heart disease.
So there's a lot of risk factors that you can't control, but the great news is about 80% of heart disease is preventable by modifying the risk factors that you can. So it's important to make sure your blood pressure is well controlled, that you're exercising, eating a healthy diet, sleeping enough, making sure that your cholesterol is well controlled, making sure that diabetes is well controlled, and then making sure that you don't smoke or aren't a smoker. And remember, your family history is a risk factor that we can't change. So really modifying all the other risk factors that you do have control of is really important.
All right, so there is an upcoming event in just a few weeks where women can grab their friends. It could be a great girls' night out. It's a lot of fun, but you're also going to learn some life-saving information. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so Pinot and Prevention, it's an event that we're hosting. It's at the AquaTurf. And gather your friends, gather your family. We're going to have a discussion with Dr. Heather Swales and myself. And we also have a comedian, Dr. Saltzman, who's going to be giving a talk. We have some great vendors. We're even going to be teaching hands-only CPR this year. So it's going to be an awesome event. Sign up now to get your spot.
I love it. Pinot and Prevention. Thank you so much, doctor, for being here.
Thank you so much for having me. Have a great day.
You too. For more information, you can visit hartfordhealthcare.org/Pinot Prevention.